In the vastness of the cosmos, where stars dance and galaxies swirl, there lies a journey of the soul, a spiritual odyssey that awaits those who seek truth and inner peace. Today, my dear seekers, I stand before you to unravel a profound truth that will ignite the spark within your hearts. Embrace the solitude, for it is in the quietude of aloneness that you shall discover the essence of your spiritual voyage. To embark on a spiritual journey is to embark on a quest to know oneself, to explore the depths of our being, our purpose, and our connection with the universe. Amidst the cacophony of the world, it is easy to lose oneself, to be swept away by the opinions and judgments of others. But dear travelers, know that it is during your solitude that you shall find the compass that guides your steps, the beacon that leads you home. Aloneness is not about isolation. It is a sacred retreat into the sanctuary of your soul. It is where you strip away the layers of society's expectations and dive into the ocean of self-awareness. Like a lotus emerging from muddy waters, you shall rise above the challenges and distractions, for you are destined for greatness. In solitude, you shall confront your fears, your doubts, and your shadows. Do not be afraid, for within the darkness lies the gateway to your light. Embrace your vulnerabilities, for it is through them that you shall uncover your strength. Remember, the lotus blooms in adversity. When you walk alone on your spiritual path, you are free from the fetters of comparison. The world may have its standards, but your journey is unique, your pace, your rhythm. Relish in the beauty of your individuality, for it is the brush that paints your masterpiece. And in your solitude, you shall realize that you are never truly alone. The universe conspires with you, guiding you through synchronicities and signs. Embrace the silence, and you shall hear the whispers of the cosmos, the heartbeat of creation. So, my fellow pilgrims, embrace the solitude of your spiritual journey. Allow the winds of introspection to carry you to the shores of self-discovery. Have the courage to be alone, for it is where you shall find the most profound companionship, with your soul, with the universe, and with the divine. Let your heart be the compass and your spirit the guide. Walk this path of aloneness with faith and determination, for the rewards are beyond measure. And when you finally emerge from this sacred cocoon, you shall radiate the light of a soul awakened, a beacon of hope for others on their own spiritual quests. Remember, my dear companions, the beauty of your journey lies not just in reaching the destination, but in savoring every step along the way. Embrace your solitude, for it shall lead you to the magic that resides within.